Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your class notebook, which is linked to your OneNote App, which is on your computer. Let's say you go to your classroom and you go to your class notebook. Once you go to your class notebook, if it's your first time, it's going to start like telling you, hey, welcome to class notebook. How does this work? Students notebooks is for you. You guys going to have student notebook. The content library is where I'm going to be doing my lessons, and you can't erase it. You can't do anything to that library. It's handouts that I'm going to be sharing with you, and that's where all the library information is going to be at. Collaboration space, you will not have that because I actually deleted that off of your notebook. The best thing is this. You want to go to open in app, meaning that it's going to open into OneNote. It's a part of Microsoft. This is your class notebook. It's going to tell you welcome, like tells you all the things that you need to know. Now, I know that mine looks a little crazy because these are all the students that I have, okay, in this classroom. However, let's say, for example, I have, this is my notebook, so you guys can't see that, but the content library, where is the teacher lesson, this is the teacher lesson. And you guys will be able to see this lesson when I'm doing it with you during class. So today's lesson will be on here. And then your POD is this one. And let's just say in your classroom, you have a notes. And I have sent you guys some resources notes where it's talking about scientific notation because that's what we've been learning. Those are notes I sent to you. And let's say you accidentally deleted it. So let's go to your POD. This is your POD. And let's say you go, oh, Miss Moore, it went away. Try to do Control Z first. If you do Control Z and it doesn't work and you cannot find it, let's delete it. You're going to go to the content library. You're going to go to POD, today's date. You're going to click on this. And you're going to right click and you're going to copy or Control C. You're going to go back to your notebook. You guys won't see the rest of these students. You'll only see your name and these are my information that I put in. Then you'll go to your POD and you're going to Control V. And that's when you are going to save your stuff here. Let's say you decide to you can't write on here. So for example, you're going to expand it. And this one says enter full screen mode. When you enter full screen mode, take a look. You have all of these to use. You can use your mouse. So before you start, you're going to be like, Miss Mo, I can't type. Yeah, you can't. You could type on the very bottom right here. However, let's say you want to not type, but you want to write. Okay. If you want to write, you need to click this first. It says draw with mouse or touch. You're going to click that. And then you're going to click your pen and you could start writing. So let's say you don't want to write on there or you're struggling with writing on there. You are going to actually access your camera. You're accessing your computer camera. Let's say you take a picture of your work. Let's take a picture of the work. Click here. You're going to do 3 ellipses. You're going to open in your folder. Once you open in your folder, you could copy it and paste it in here. Then that actually, let's say all your work is on here. This whole thing that you've done is on here, and I will be grading it that way now from now on.